Remodeling your shower for safety and accessibility, a comprehensive guide. When considering home renovations, the bathroom, specifically the shower area, becomes a focal point for enhancing safety and accessibility. With an increasing emphasis on creating spaces that cater to everyone, regardless of age or mobility, remodeling your shower for accessibility and safety is a crucial step in achieving a bathroom that is both functional and inclusive. Remodeling your shower for safety and accessibility involves installing non-slip flooring, grab bars, a barrier-free entry, and adjustable shower heads to create a space that's secure and accessible for everyone, enhancing functionality and independence in daily routines. Understanding the need for safety and accessibility in showers. At the core of any bathroom remodel for safety and accessibility lies the understanding that a well-designed space can significantly impact daily living. Bathrooms, especially showers, are high-risk areas for slips and falls. Making them more accessible can prevent accidents and make bathing an easier, more enjoyable experience for the elderly, people with disabilities, and even those recovering from injuries. Evaluating your current shower. Key considerations. Evaluating your shower's current state is the first critical step towards a successful remodel focused on safety and accessibility. This assessment goes beyond mere aesthetics. It involves understanding the functional aspects of your shower as they pertain to everyone's safety and ease of use. Here are the key considerations you should focus on during the evaluation phase. 1. Space and layout. Consider the amount of space available in your bathroom. Is there enough room to move around comfortably? Can the shower accommodate modifications such as a wider entrance or a wheelchair-accessible design? The layout should allow for easy navigation and use by individuals with varied mobility levels. 2. Existing features. Take inventory of the features your current shower offers. Identify what works and what doesn't in terms of safety and accessibility. For example, does the shower have a step or raised threshold that could be a tripping hazard? Are the fixtures easy to reach and operate by someone with limited mobility or strength? 3. Shower floor and drainage. The shower floor is a critical area that needs careful consideration. Is the flooring material slippery when wet? Does the current setup allow for efficient water drainage, or is there a risk of water pooling and causing slips? Assessing these aspects is crucial for planning a remodel that prioritizes safety. 4. Lighting. Adequate lighting is essential in a bathroom, especially around the shower area, to ensure safety. Poor lighting can increase the risk of accidents. Evaluate the current lighting situation. Is the shower area well lit, or are there shadows and dark spots that need addressing? 5. Grab bars and support. Does your current shower setup include grab bars or any form of support for stability? If not, identifying potential locations for installing these aids can be beneficial. Proper placement and strength are key factors to consider, ensuring they provide adequate support for users. Enhancing safety and accessibility in shower remodels. Enhancing safety and accessibility in shower remodels goes beyond mere aesthetics to incorporate features that ensure ease of use, reduce the risk of accidents, and promote independence. Assess current and future accessibility needs. Evaluate user needs. Consider the mobility and accessibility needs of all potential users, including the elderly, those with disabilities, and even temporary injuries. Think about both current requirements and how needs might evolve. Professional consultation. Consulting with an occupational therapist or a certified aging-in-place specialist can provide personalized advice on making your shower space accessible to all users. Select appropriate materials for safety. Non-slip flooring. Choose flooring materials with high slip resistance to prevent falls. Textured tiles, anti-slip vinyl, and matte finished stone are good options. Quality grab bars. Install sturdy, well-anchored grab bars in strategic locations, such as near the shower entrance and close to the shower seat if applicable. Water-resistant materials. Opt for materials that resist mold and mildew, which can deteriorate materials and also contribute to slip hazards. Incorporate smart design features. Walk-in showers. Eliminate barriers by installing walk-in showers, which remove the need to step over a threshold, facilitating wheelchair access and reducing trip hazards. Shower size and door width. Ensure the shower is spacious enough to accommodate a wheelchair or mobility aid, and that doorways are wide enough for easy access. Adjustable shower systems. Install handheld shower heads and adjustable height controls to cater to users of all heights and mobility levels. Leverage technology for enhanced accessibility. Digital temperature controls. These allow users to precisely control water temperature, reducing the risk of scalding. Voice-activated features. Consider integrating smart home technology for voice-activated controls, making it easier for individuals with mobility or vision impairments to adjust settings without physical interaction. Implementing thoughtful additions. Seating solutions. A built-in bench or a fold-down seat in the shower can aid those who have difficulty standing for prolonged periods or need to transfer from a wheelchair. Ample lighting. Install bright, non-glare lighting to improve visibility in the shower area, particularly important for those with vision impairments. Color and contrast. Use contrasting colors to delineate different areas of the shower and bathroom, aiding those with low vision in navigating the space, making your shower safer and more accessible. Remodeling your shower for accessibility and safety is a thoughtful approach to creating a more inclusive and functional bathroom. By carefully considering the needs of all potential users, selecting the right materials, and incorporating smart design features, you can transform your shower area into a safe and accessible space. Whether you're planning a complete overhaul or making targeted modifications, the principles outlined in this guide will help you achieve a successful remodel. The key to a successful project lies in thorough planning, choosing the right contractor, and staying informed about the latest in safety and accessibility standards.